Alright guys, we just downloaded the new trans brake module for the 10-speed transmission on our 2018 Mustang GT. This is our twin turbo car, which I'm sure you've seen online. Everybody's been talking about it. It's got a gangster on-3 turbo twin turbo kit. But we're going to show you the new trans brake module now. Here's how it works. First thing you got to do, make sure the car's in the right mode. You got to be in the track mode, and you got to have everything warmed up. Probably is better if we have more fuel in it, but this will work for this demonstration. All you do is you grab both of your paddle shifters, hold the brake down, flash the gas once, then you can let go of the left paddle shifter and the brake, and now you're set. You can give it as much gas as you want.